Hey guys, I just pulled this thing out of my kiln. I fired it for about 2 days. I haven't made a lot of videos on the firing process and how to use kilns because every kiln is so different and mine is extremely basic. But I wanted to show you what a sculpture looks like when it's baked. And this is that sculpture I did with the girl and the lion. It's a quick sketch, so it didn't take me a long time. But there are a couple of things that are interesting. So this did hold up. Normally this would have broken off, and if you recall, I had a stick that was holding up the tail. If you look here, that stick just burned off, and you can see the remnants of the stick here, and you see a hole poking out of the lion, which is not bad. And if you look around, there are a couple of things that possibly could have broken. So there is a crack that developed here. So if I turn around, you'll see a little tiny crack over there and another one over here. So that's pretty normal. Even when you have a crack this small, you can fill it with paint. If you paint this, it'll just completely disappear. So it's not that big of an issue. As we look around, like we noticed that the rib cage did come out pretty well, and you can hear the hollowness of it. On this backside, there's a tiny little crack. So there's like only, I think, 3 small hairline cracks, which is great. And I'm going to be cleaning this up, so just removing a lot of the debris from this. Thing I'm going to be doing now is, if I show you this, you have to be very careful with the tail. It's very, very fragile. These edges, I'm just going to take some sort of hard tool and I'm going to break them off. And you would notice that right over here, it's pretty much hollow. That's what you have to do for these clays. You have to make sure that it goes all the way and remove as much. It is actually pretty warm. So this was overnight. I let it cool down. Around midnight, I let it start to cool down, and it still got some heat on it. So that's pretty much what a clay looks like once you fire it. You can choose to keep it like this. The clay actually looks really good. The only thing that I don't like is the texture. You know, it's just not as nice. And for me, I think I'm going to paint it something. I haven't decided yet. I have like series of acrylics. This one is a green one, but you can, or this is umber, and I'm not really sure what I'll do yet. You could, if you wanted this, I would recommend just putting a coat of wax on it if you like the red. But that's pretty much what a terracotta looks like when it's fired. I just wanted to show you guys because often you don't see this sort of process. You see the painting, but not the actual sculpture when I remove it from the kiln. But that's it, guys. I really hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.